Yo, what is up guys? I'm going to be showing you how to get the SimCity Buildit ++. So this is basically a modified version of the game which will allow you to have unlimited resources for absolutely free. So this is working as of 2022. You guys can see everything is maxed out. You can use this on both iOS and Android. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. But I'm going to take you guys step by step and show you guys how to install the modified version of the game. So yeah, you guys can see everything is maxed out $9.99, and this is completely free as well. So let's go ahead and go into settings. We're going to need to configure our device for the installation. So go ahead and look for general, go ahead and go to background app refresh, and then make sure you have it set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now if you're on an Android device, you don't have to worry about this step in the tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and go back to settings, go ahead and look for battery. Make sure you guys do not have low power mode enabled. If you do, it may interfere with the installation, so make sure the low power mode is disabled. And we're going to go ahead and go to App Store and make sure automatic downloads are checked off. So you guys can see, or make sure it's enabled, so you guys can see it is checked on. So we're going to go ahead and close out of that now. We're going to go to our internet browser and go to this website right here. This is the website we're going to be using to install the SimCity Buildit ++. So it's just basically a modified version of the game, and it is completely safe, like I said, so you're not going to be banned or anything weird like that. Go ahead and click the search bar, go ahead and type in SimCity Buildit, and then go ahead and click done. We're going to go ahead and select the one that says SimCity Buildit ++. So it says unlimited resources. Go ahead and click start injection, and I already have it installed, but I'm going to show you guys like step by step exactly how to install it. So let's go ahead and click start injection. It's going to start downloading the SimCity Buildit ++, and this should only take maybe 30 seconds or so to install. I would suggest being connected to Wi-Fi if you're able to. But yeah, it's going to be injecting, starting all the like downloads and everything. So you're going to be redirected to the app injection page, but I've already completed that. So I'm going to go ahead and close out. You guys can see I do have the SimCity ++ already on my device. So all you need to do once you have the SimCity ++ is just open it up, and you guys can see it is adding more resources to my account. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys.